Welcome back. So in this video we'll be talking about ASGs, so which is application security groups. So let's go to our resource groups. So this is a resource group that we were using. So these are the different resources that we have used before. So let's go ahead and create ASGs, which is application security group. So what is it? So basically it enables us to group VMs together based on their role in the application and apply security rules to the group as a whole, rather than applying security rules to individual VMs. So this simplifies management by reducing the number of security rules requiring and enabling us to apply security policies based on the application's architecture. So like whenever you create we can't create multiple ASGs, right? So here comes application security groups, application security group. So this is the one, click that. So as you can see, application security group enables you to configure network security, has a natural extension of an application structure, allowing you to group virtual machines and define network security policies based on those particular groups. So this feature allows you to reuse your security policies at a scale without manual maintenance of explicit IP addresses. So the platform handles the complexity of explicit IP addresses and multiple rule sets, allowing you to focus on your business logic. So let's go ahead and create that, and it's in US, and let me give it as ASG in between, let's say sample. So we have created a sample ASG, and if you want to add tags you can, but let's go ahead and review and create it. So we have created an ASG group. So if we go back to our resource, you can see here it's not yet appeared, so just click refresh. So once it has been created, you can associate that particular ASG to a virtual machine. So if you check here, so this is how you can it is used. So for example, you can see there is a ASG web. So you can see there is a ASG web, and these two are for one category. These two come under one category. So you can use your security rules for specific resources, and this comes under other one, and this comes under the database. So if we talk about scenarios, for instance, let's say imagine there is a three-tier application consisting of front-end web servers, middle tier, and a backend. So each of these components is running on a separate VM which has a unique IP address. To allow traffic to flow between these tiles while still enforcing security policies, you should create a separate NSG to each VM with security rules that allow traffic between the VMs based on the IP addresses and ports. So it will be difficult to manage and maintain the number of VMs and security rules. So by using ASG, you can group these VMs together based on their role in application and apply the security rules to the group as a whole. For example, you can create an ASG for a web tier, other for application tier, and a third for the database tier. Then you can create a security rule that allows traffic from the web tier ASG to an application tier ASG on a specific port. So it will be much flexible when you use ASGs. So that is from Microsoft documentation. So if I go here, now I think it should be appeared. So let's go to our VM sample virtual machine, and let's go to our networking, and here you can see there is a application security group. Click that. Oh, did I used any other again? Just a second. It's just, so let's go ahead and create it. I'm not sure what happened here, so let me application security group, click that, create subscription one, East US. Okay, maybe it went to East US 2 again, I'm not sure. So if I click, but still it has to show. So let's say sample to ASG. you can create. So create. Go to resource, home, our security groups. I think now it should be popping up. So let's go to our virtual machine and networking, and if we go here, configure, there you go. So you can see we were able to see that sample to NSGs. So this is how we can associate the application security groups. So click that and save. So you can see similarly you can do this for multiple virtual machines that you create. So if you want to apply to this specific group, let's say you have maybe 10 virtual machines that you have applied to this ASGs. So if you go back here, SQS, and here if we talk about NSGs, now you can create the rules based on that particular application security group. So you can see here, you can click application security group and you can add the one that you have created recently and add the rules accordingly. So you can allow or retain the traffic based on that particular ASGs. So this is how it is useful. So I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thank you.